Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping precisely. Cleanse with an oil-free wash and pat skin dry so the corrector adheres. Once done, dot a green or yellow corrector only on the red acne spots. This neutralizes redness using complementary color theory. Use a small synthetic brush or clean fingertip and tap, never rub, so pigment stays targeted. Make sure to use thin layers. Build coverage slowly to avoid cakiness. This first step sets a clean canvas for foundation and prevents excess product from aggravating pores. Now you blend and lock the correction. Using light tapping motions, blend only the edges so the colored pigment remains concentrated on the lesion. This preserves neutralization without coloring surrounding skin. Once blended, apply a thin layer of skin-toned concealer, about 1/2 swipe, directly over the corrector and press it in, rather than dragging. Then set the spot with translucent powder using a small fluffy brush to mattify and prevent transfer. Make sure to let each thin layer dry for a few seconds so it layers smoothly. Finish by applying foundation sparingly, using a stippling or bouncing motion around treated areas so you don't move the corrector underneath. Once done, inspect in natural light to confirm color match and coverage. If a spot shows through, add a tiny amount of spot concealer and press again. If product smears, press more translucent powder onto the area, let it set for 10-20 seconds, then reapply a very thin concealer layer. This preserves coverage without piling or emphasizing texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.